Breaking news, senior high school, stop na ba? In the upcoming school year 2024 to 2025, around 7,700 senior high school students may need to transfer to other schools because the Commission on Higher Education has stopped implementing senior high school programs. So ngayon, stay tuned in. Tatalakayin natin kung ano ang balitang ito tungkol sa senior high school.
The Department of Education, or DepEd, is verifying if there are students in the senior high school program who might be displaced due to its discontinuation in state universities and colleges and local universities and colleges. Or ito yung sinasabing SUCs and LUCs. So,
According to
ano
Education
ba ang
Undersecretary
tinutukoy dito?
Michael Powa,
Ito
DepEd had
yung
already stopped providing financial assistance to
senior high
incoming grade
school
11 students
andun
in
sa mga
SUCs
college,
and LUCs
sa colleges.
before the school year started so that no one
hindi naman lingid
would
sa
be
ating kaalaman na
displaced.
may mga senior
So,
high
ayun
school
dito,
yung ibang universities at
stop
saka
na
yung
po
mga
yung
local
financial
na mga
assistance
colleges.
sa mga incoming grade 11 students
ito yung
sa
tinutukoy
mga
dito. So,
state universities and colleges and sa local universities and colleges. Under Department Order Number 2023 to 20 issued on July 26, a month before the start of the current school year 2023 to 2024, there would be no more financial assistance to the senior high school voucher program among state and local universities and colleges, except for grade 12 students in that school year. We're just letting the grade 12 students finish, Powa told the Inquirer on Tuesday. So, pinatatapos na lamang po yung mga grade 12 students sa mga colleges na school. Still, the department is checking with its regional offices if there are grade 11 students accommodated by SUCs and LUCs who are not covered by the subsidy, as they would be the ones most likely to be displaced once all involved higher education institutions stop offering the senior high school program. The engagement should have been limited to a 5-year transition period covering school years 2016 to 2021 in accordance with Republic Act number 10533 on the K-12 educational system. So, ibig sabihin, 5 years lang po pala yung limit sana ng mga senior high school na andun sa state universities colleges or sa local universities colleges. So, an earlier CHED Directive Memorandum Order Number 32 issued in 2015 also specified that SUCs and LUCs could offer senior high school for 5 school years only. So, 5 years lamang po talaga yung offer sa kanila. But, the program was extended for a few more years. So, na-extend pala ito due to the pandemic, POA said. Dahil sa pandemic, na-extend po yung in-offer sa kanila na 5 years. Adding that the current school year of 2023 to 2024 will be the last year that the voucher program will extend to learners in the LUCs and SUCs. CHED Chair Prospero de Vera III issued another memorandum on December 18, 2023, directing this institution to discontinue the senior high school as there is no longer legal basis to fund the same. So, si Prospero de Vera nag-issue ng memorandum directing sa mga institution na ito na i-discontinue na po yung senior high school nila because of no longer legal basis to fund. No? In an interview last week, De Vera said he was compelled to issue that memorandum after learning that a number of SUCs and LUCs were still accommodating. So, may dumating na issue na yung mga SUCs and LUCs ay nag-accommodate pa rin ng mga senior high enrollees. A good 2 years since the transition period, De Vera said SUCs and LUCs were already remind na po sila na earlier to phase out their senior high program and stop accepting more enrollees. So, earlier pa pala, na-remind na sila pero they are still accommodating. Kaya, nagpalabas na ng memorandum na i-stop na or i-discontinue na po talaga yung senior high school nila. The enrollment has already increased and stabilized. They need to use their facilities for college and universities program and students, he said. So, dahil po dito sa tumaas na enrollment nila sa senior high school, naapektuhan po yung mga college students kasi nagagamit po yung mga facilities nila like room. So, sa pagdami ng senior high school, apektado po yung mga colleges, no, yung mga college students. Kaya ito yung isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit stop na sila kasi walang fund, walang mga financial assistance na magagamit para doon sa mga rooms na para makater yung senior high school. The chief noted further that there were SUCs and LUCs who were requesting to be allowed to still offer senior high school in their schools. So may mga SUCs and LUCs na request na i-allow po sila na magpatuloy sa senior high school. Siguro meron hindi naman sila overcrowded or okay naman yung mga facilities nila. So nag-request sila na i-allow muna sila na magpatuloy ng senior high school at ng senior high school. Among this institution, De Vera said, was Mindanao State University, where he sits is ex-officio chair of its boards of regents. According to him, the board even passed a resolution to meet with DepEd to seek a special consideration for its case. So, titingnan muna no kung ikukonsidera ba yung Mindanao State University na papayagan na wag mo nang alisin yung yung senior high school. Misconceptions. Punta naman po tayo sa misconceptions, yung maling pagkakaintindi. Asked about that matter, Poa said, we're willing to sit down with CHED to discuss if there will be exceptions or what the recommendation are so as to explore if there is something we can do. So, magdi-discuss pa sila kung may mga exceptions ba na mangyayari dito, no, or may magagawa pa ba sila. He said that in case there are students affected by discontinuation of the senior high school, they could be accommodated in public or private school as a voucher. So, may mga maapektuhan talaga ng mga estudyante pero ma-accommodate naman sila in public or private school as a voucher. He said that in case there are students affected by the discontinuation of this senior high school, they could be accommodated in public or private school as voucher recipients. The DepEd official also clarified misconception on the issue as he emphasized that senior high would not be removed from the K-12. So, claris. Hindi po matatanggal yung or mawawala yung K-12 program. Yung K-12 mga senior high school lamang po sa LUCs and SUCs na nagpapatuloy pa rin sa pagtanggap ng mga enrollee. Yun lamang po yung ma-stop due to financial assistance kasi wala na pong fund na mapagkukunan doon kasi sila naman po yung nag-request na ng senior high school. So, yun lamang po at maraming salamat.